dito sa Perpetual Lady Altas ang magsisimula as setter for them. Itong si Fifi Ariola. And on the other side for EAC, they are going to be led by their graduating main gunner in Kat Almazan. Martin Javier, kasama po ang naging isang former NCAA champion, MVP, legend, Mr. John Vic De Guzman.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Martin. At happy Sunday sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. Ayun, ang ating first point ay para sa Perpetual.
Yung introduction ko sa'yo doon, parang ikaw yung pumuntos.
Naiyak nga ako eh.
But this is gonna be a good matchup. EAC coming off another loss, 0-8 right now in the competition. Pero nakikita mo na pumapalag na itong EAC Lady Generals. Simula nung ang nagsisimula sa kanila, etong si Alex Razonable.
Yeah.
Touch for EAC.
Alam mo, Martin, actually ito, based dun sa mga past games nitong EAC, meron silang something sa team nila na kaya nilang makipagsabayan.
Yeah.
Ang parang naiisip ko lang na kulang sa kanila is kung paano sila magtapos every game. So di ba usually first set nakukuha nila, then the rest ng set parang nawawala yung gana nung first set. So I'm not sure, hindi ko alam kung kulang ba sa team building or talagang matibay lang din yung mga teams na nakakalaban nila sa NCAA.
Tama ka dyan, John Vic. For the past few games, aganda lagi ang pino-perform nila. Sa opening set, Jen Omapas gets their first point here. That's a different play para dito sa EAC. Mula sa gitna, Jen Omapas.
Usually nakikita natin na pumapalo sa gitna ay yung mga quicker natin. But this time, alam mo yon, nagkakaroon ng transition at combination play para sa EAC.
And Alex Razonable. Ito yung surprise player rather ni Coach Rod Palmero in the past two games. 19 points against Arellano, 18 points right before that. You expect a big output from her today. Pero abante dito, ang Lady Altas, Shai Omipon winds up and hits the cross court.
Every time na magte-take off to si Omipon, malalaman mo kung gaano ka-powerful yung mga papakawalan niyang atake.
Kargado lagi itong
Kargado,
si
no?
Shai Omipon. You know, you talk about the Perpetual Lady Altas, 4-4 right now. May kaunti pang chance para makapasok sa Final Four as Almazan scores down the line.
Sumagot siya doon sa palo kanina ni Omipon. Pero gaya ng sabi mo, Martin, kanina, dito, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari.
Marami pa.
Hindi pa tapos ang elimination natin. May mga games pa na aabangan natin sa mga susunod. And I think ito yung magbibigay ng magdidikta kung sinong papasok for the Final Four.
That's right. Abangan niyo yan mga kapuso. Down to the final 3-game day sa eliminations. Here is Ariola. Quick attack for Bedanya. It goes wide.
Attack goes out.
3-4. So nakikipagsabayan dito ang EAC.
Kaso, napapansin natin dito sa first set, yung mga nakukuha ng EAC galing dun sa mga unforced errors na binibigay nitong Perpetual.
Jaja Villana at the service line right now did not
Good serve.
get a bunch of playing time, although she started against Arellano. It's gonna be saved. Ito na ang Perpetual. Pasa para kay Ariola. Back row hit for Dapol. Deflected and kept alive. Jen Omapas. Omipon. Too strong.
Attack too wide.
Another unforced error para sa Perpetual.
Sinubukan niyang i-cross court yun. Ay, anggulong palo, no?
Still serving.
Super sharp cross sana yung target to ni Omipon, but too long.
So for all tayo, John Vic dito. Again, itong EAC. Isa sa mga dahilan siguro kaya maganda yung tinatakbo nila in the past few games. Kasi meron na silang nothing to lose mindset.
Yeah. Ano, tama ka, Martin. Sa mga players, especially sa mga gitong klaseng pinaghahanda ang big tournament sa college, napaka-importante ng mindset eh. The more na may pressure kang dala-dala every game, the more na mahihirapan kang gumalaw inside the court.
That's right. And speaking of, preparation, Perpetual actually prepared very well for season 99. As we take a look at that quick, marami itong pinag-championan
Totoo.
na off-season
Yeah.
tournament. Kaya medyo nagugulat tayo dun sa mga naging resulta ng mga laban nila this season.
That's a block point
Pero dito
for the
against
Lady
EAC,
Altas.
they look like they're in their top form.
Yeah.
There's a kill block.
No coverage para sa EAC. At tama ka, Martin. Usually kasi, may mga off-season na big help para sa mga teams, especially pag yung exposure di ba? Kaso paminsan-minsan kasi yung preparation bago pumasok yung season mismo na pinaghahandaan mong tournament is minsan bumababa, minsan tumataas yung laro. So may mga changes talagang kailangan mong i-consider at yun yung dapat mong ayusin bago pumasok sa isang ganito klaseng tournament.
Lalo sa atin sa NCAA single round. So crucial na pumasok ka, malakas ka na, pero dapat siguraduhin mong hindi mo pa yun yung peak.
Totoo.
Kumbaga meron ka pang igagaling pa.
Kumbaga may buwelo Kasi
Buwelo.
ang pangit naman kung dadating sa point na magsisimula ka na sobrang peak ka and then pagdating sa dulo, dun bababa yung level ng laro ng team.
That's right. Very important, and we've seen that in the past. Ito sa NC. Formento brings it to Almazan. It is 7-5. Regalo. Hindi gagana. Tapol through the block. Joust. Tip back goes out for Daps.
I remember, Martin, nung panahon ni Gretchen Soltones.
Ayan.
Grabe, sweep nila yung elimination. And then
Yeah.
nagkaroon tayo ng step ladder pagdating sa championship. Thrice beaten ang San Sebastian. Yun yung pinaka-heartbreaking para sa team na, alam mo yun, elimination talagang gaot. Kaso pagdating sa finals, dun medyo bumaba
Oo.
yung laro. And sabi nga nila, pagdating mo ng semis and championship, ibang usapan, ibang kwento na, Martin.
The set is tied at 7
At
points.
si Soltones po, hakot siya nun
Grabe si Soto.
MVP. They swept the eliminations. Both years ba, Arellano yung tumalo sa kanila?
No, yung binild.
Binild pala.
Panahon nila, Panaga.
Yon, season 91. Yeah. So, Daps
Daps double.
winding up and scoring the 8th point
First
of the
technical
Lady
timeout of the
Altas.
first set.
Pagbalik po natin,
Our score
first report
is
ng
8
ating
for Perpetual,
birthday girl
7
courtside
for
reporter, Lizelle Nerves.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Good day, sports fans. This is Game On, the very first sports podcast of GMA. Brought to you by GMA Regional TV and Synergy and GMA Digilab. My name is Martin Javier.
Half minute left. Shot clock is down to 4. Manalini. Kaboom!
Let's talk about anything and everything about sports. I am Coach Hammer Martin Antonio.
Ang pinaka-key to be a very good shooter, to be able to score, is repetition.
Makasama din natin ang inyong mga iniidolo.
Get ready for more volleyball action dito lamang sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. I am Lizelle Nerves reporting from the courtside. As we are on to the final stretch of the elimination round, this may be the last chance for some players to make their mark. Progressing through her NCAA career, nagreminis ang team captain ng Lady Altas na si Razel Aldea sa naging growth niya bilang manlalaro ng koponan. She mentioned she was able to mature in all aspects as a player. Marami man siya naging pagkukulang this season, ay optimistic naman siya sa future ng team as their destiny right now hangs in the balance. Sa kabilang dako naman, isa sa mga consistent players ng Lady Generals na si Kat Almazan, who played for the team since season 94, said na nagkaroon sila ng emotional huddle before the game, saying na hindi man siya ang nagtaas ng rank ng koponan, ay alam niyang kakayanin ng sunod na batch na tuparin ang mga pangarap nila. This may be a bittersweet ending for both our players, but they are confident that the future is bright as they pass on the torch. Balik muna sa inyo, Martin and John Vic.
Thank you so much to our birthday girl courtside reporter, Lizelle Nerves.
Happy birthday, Lizelle.
Working birthday pala to para kay
Oo.
Lizelle. But yung mga in-interview niya, dalawang leaders yan
Yeah.
na magkabilang panig natin. Razel Aldea and Kat Almazan, matagal nang nasa NCAA. And for EAC, si Kat lang ang gagraduate. Para sa Perpetual naman, meron silang 3 siguradong gagraduate. Si Cordero, si Dapol, at saka si Aldea. Yung dalawa hindi pa sure, si Winnie Bedania at saka si Ocado. So again, bittersweet ending.
Tama. Nakakatawa, Martin, dahil yun yung sign ng isang magaling na leader eh. Diba? Ng senior player na mas iniisip mo yung magiging future ng mga teammates mo more than dun sa kung anong meron ka during na naglalaro ka. Well, iba pa rin yung feeling kapag may naibibigay ka sa team nung time na naglalaro ka, but yung vision mo na for the future of your team, mas iba yun.
That's right. Ito expect natin, mag-go all out dito si Daps. Potentially her final game in NC. This one is returned. Pinalik ni Formento. Balik kay Dapol. Kept alive by Cordial. Ariola to Aldea. Quick attack for Dea.
Russell Aldea.
Iba yung connection nitong si Aldea dun sa kanyang center.
Vivi Ariola.
Itong setter ngayon ng Perpetual, usually, siya yung secondary setter ni Coach Sandy Reyeta. Ang primary po nila, si Minmin Sapin. Diba? As we take a look at
Kat
that,
Almazan.
hit coming from Kat Almazan. Ang ganda naman yung pagdireksyon niya sa bola doon.
And good thing for Almazan dahil even sa back row, kaya niyang humanap ng butas kung saan niya ilalagay yung bola.
Kat Almazan for years now in the NCAA. Isa siya sa mga pinaka-gifted scorers natin. Bustamante off the hands of the blockers. So ito si Camille Bustamante kasama ng future to ng
Totoo.
Perpetual Lady Altas.
Daps double serving for Perpetual.
With the departure of our reigning NCAA MVP, Daps Dapol. Malaki ang kailangan po nandito ng Perpetual Lady Altas. That's good.
Jen Umapa.
Jen Omapas.
Basta sa EAC, ang dami ng mga possible players na makakatulong sana kay Kat. But alam mo yon, iniintay lang natin kung kailan sila gagana at kung kailan lalabas yung laro nila.
Yeah. Dito, in the past few games, again, Razonable emerged as one of their go-to players. Razzle again. Another quick for Aldea. Hindi na itawid ni Jen Umapas. Pero pwede pa sana yan.
Four
Totoo.
touches for EAC.
Ito, binibigyan ng bola ni Ariola
Russell
si Aldea.
for the Lady Altas.
Gusto ko yung connection nila, no, dalawa. Simula nung nag-start yung first set natin, first point para kay Aldea, and dire-diretso yung mga set na binibigay nitong si
Ariola. Oh, tumawid. Itong si Formento.
Net touch for the Lady Generals.
Pero ang ganda ng pagtawid doon ni Shai Umipo ng bola. I thought it was gonna go out already.
Our score is 14
Yes.
serving 10.
Formento Villana. 14-10 in favor of the Lady Altas. And Villana is denied.
That's a block point for Win Badanya.
That's Winnie Bedanya getting the kill block.
great timing para kay Bedanya. Basang-basa niya sa quick ibibigay.
Great coverage at the net. Chris Bedanya. Isa sa mga surprise performers din. And Lady Altas this year helping out with the scoring as well. And ito na. Tip does not work though. Lumusot. Ariola Omipon. Ito malakas. Check ball.
Shai
Check ball ang
Umipo.
tawag.
And 16-10 in favor of the Lady Altas.
Timeout EAC.
We go to a quick technical timeout.
By the way, this is the second technical timeout. The score is 16 for Perpetual, 10 for
Ito, sa Game On Podcast, we can absolutely talk about anything. We can have lengthy conversations, meatier conversations.
Palitan and mas maraming chikahan.
That's right. And I think it's only right because, I mean, first of all, special thanks goes out to everybody who tunes in and watches the show. We have been fortunate enough to have been recognized by Trinity, by Anak TV. So I think it's only fitting that after we have received
Balik sa ating laban, Daps Dapol. We are not seeing the usual numbers from Daps, especially in the last few games for Perpetual. 9 points against the Lady Blazers. And in that match, John Vic, para talagang nagulat itong Perpetual sa Benilde.
Yes. Actually, ilang beses na lang nakalaban, but I
Our
think
score is 16,
Dapol is the
17.
strength of Lady Altas, averaging 16.5 points per match. And I think she needs another Dapol na, alam mo yon, consistent every time na makakaharap ng ganitong klaseng team, which is yung Benil.
That's right. Still the third leading scorer in the league. Pero, of course, alam natin, i-expect natin mula dito kay Daps. As Umapas scores right there. Kasi yung season niya, season 98, MVP season,
Oo.
ang ganda ng pinakita niya. Different departments. Umipon. Oh.
Shai
Beautiful
Umipon.
placement hit coming from Shai Umipon.
Napakasimple nung ano,
Substitution for the
nung
Lady
paglalagay
Generals.
ng bola ni Umipon.
Directional lang.
Out.
Diba? Inikot lang eh.
Ikot lang.
Number 15. Fed Orindain A.
Oh, palitan ng
Number
tao.
five, Chacha
Orendain
Miguel
checks in for the
Number
first
three,
time para
Rhea
sa
Magalona
EAC
A.
Lady Generals.
Number
At
2,
dahil
Jen
ito na yung
Umapas out.
huling laban ng
Number
EAC
10, Trisha Brutas
sa
A.
season 99. Gamitin na
Camille
ni Coach
Bustamante
Rod
now
yung
serving for Perpetual.
lahat ng players niya kung kaya
Yes.
para makakuha ng experience dito. Ate Gallardes, their captain, is also in. Yes, John Vic.
Yung mga ganitong klaseng moment, Martin, kahit alam mong wala nang chance for semifinals, iba pa rin yung mentality ng mga players and coaches na even sa last game nila, talagang inaayos nila. Kasi alam mo yung preparation yan para sa next NCAA.
That's right.
Kung matalo ka ngayong season, it doesn't mean na talo ka next.
Oh, the Lady Blazers
Yeah.
are waiting in the
Score
wings.
is 18,
Ayan po, si Cloan, si Gail, si Fiona Bato, Getigan, at
Yeah.
saka si Nolasco, Zam Nolasco, na naka-hoodie.
Hoodie.
Ayan. Alam mo, hindi ka namin makikilala. They'll face LPU in the next match. Of
Attack
course,
goes
that
out.
match will determine if we will have a step ladder or a normal Final Four.
Timeout EAC.
Ito naman ang Lady Pirates. This is Jaika Lopez and Jonah Dolorito. Also watching the match. Pakinggan natin si Coach Rod.
Oy, ikaw. Oy, tumarabaho ka sa pasa. Ha? Hindi ka tumatrabaho sa pasa eh. Gumalaw kayo ng tama, ha? Maglaro lang ng tama.
And si Coach Rod Palmero. Alam mo, John Vic, curious ako sa nararamdaman ni Coach Rod every game day. Kasi, syempre, every game day natin, dalawa yung laban niya. Isa sa men's division, isa sa women's division. Sa men's division,
Camille
yung
Bustamante.
team na yon, at least right before this game day, 8-0.
8-0.
Tapos yung sa women's team, 0-8. So talagang opposites yung na-experience niya na emotions si Coach
Totoo.
Rod.
And hindi madali para sa coaches yung maghawak ng maraming teams.
Yeah.
Napakahirap kaya mag-coach.
Yeah,
Alam mo, naging
mahirap.
coaching staff ako before. Yung iba, coaching staff ka pa lang ako. Mag-assistant coach, assistant trainer. Pero pag head coach ka na, nasa iyo lahat yung karga-karga ng team.
Nung naging coaching service ace right there from Trisha Brutas. Kita mo to. Challenging
Our score is
the first ball of
13-17.
Perpetual. Nung naging miyembro ka ba ng coaching staff, John Vic? Pagkatapos ba nun, nag-sorry ka sa mga head coach mo? Kasi pinasakit mo yung ulo nila.
Hindi. Usually yan, more on brainstorming. Nag-uusap-usap din naman kayo. Kaso syempre, the last say ay magagaling para sa head coach. Yun ang pinakamahirap, yung decision making.
Ganda nung decision making doon.
Di ba? Ni Dapol.
Itapol, 200 push.
Good serve.
Uhu! Omipon.
That's an ace!
With a
For
service
Shai
ace.
Umipon. Substitution
Grabe
for the
yung,
Lady Generals. Number
ikot
11.
ng bola.
Ada
Oo.
Gallardes out.
Sharp na sharp,
Number
no?
6.
Yan yung pinapatarget ng mga coaches during the practice. Yung taas ng net, dapat konti
Sakto lang.
lang yung space. Kasi yun yung mahirap basahin.
Our score is
Kasi tendency, pag
21-13.
masyadong mataas yung serve mo, pwede mong kamayin.
Ah.
Pag masyadong mababa, magkakatalo na lang kung napakagaling mo talagang gumamit ng underhand.
Oo, correct. Ganda ulit yung serve niya doon. Tapol. Popped up by De Andres. Orendain is denied. A chance for the Lady Altas.
Daps double.
And Tapol flies in for the kill.
Dapol. Parang may spring siya sa paa, no? Yung pantalon.
EAC.
Parang walang effort.
Motivated ngayon si Dapol. Nakipakinggan natin si Coach Rod.
Hindi ko kayo pinapapilit na sumabay sa kanila kung hindi nyo kaya. Kailangan ko makita paano kayo gumalaw. Yung sa inyo. Naintindihan? Huwag panoorin ng bola. Expectin mo lagi may darating na bola sa'yo. Naintindihan mo. Sige, let's go.
Napakasimpleng instruction.
Yeah.
Galing kay Coach.
Kasi alam naman niya yung kakayahan ng team niya. Pinag-iensayuhan naman nila. Diba? Uy!
Substitution for the Lady Altas.
Coach Rod Palmero.
Number 1, Daps Dapol out.
Suffering
Number 7, Sai Almiñana.
his first loss in the men's division earlier at the hands of the defending champions, the
serving
Perpetual
for
Altas. Ano yan,
Shai
Perpetual
Umipon.
versus EAC. The defending champs won in straight sets. Pero di kita lahat. 25-23
Oo.
across the board. Identical yung scores nung sets natin doon. As
Service
Umipon
error.
sends that one straight to the net. 14-22 now. Medyo malayo-layo na.
Fred Orendain
Yung
serving
kailangan
for
habulin
EAC.
dito ng EAC. Orendain. Good first ball. Almiñana!
Sai Almiñana.
Nice swing coming from
Oh.
Almiñana.
Ang ganda nung nung Dapol tsaka Almin na niya.
Serving
Na,
for the Lady
alam mo yun,
Altas.
kahit
Bring it down.
nasa likod na si Dapol, alam mo meron, pag-ikot niya, meron sa front line na tatrabaho din sa pwesto.
That's right.
For win medalya.
Ito, may buenas. Mula sa service
The
line,
Lady
Willie
Altas are
Bedanya.
now at service point.
Gamit pa yung net. 24-14, set point na. Ang Perpetual, razonable off the block. May
Alex
konti
Razonable,
pang
off the block.
lingering look. And that's what she brings to the table. Aside from
Giant
these
Sayago's
attacks,
serve.
may swag din siya.
Swag.
Here's the serve by Sayago. Oh, serve is ace.
That's an ace
Wow.
for Giant Sayago.
Ito pagpasok nito against Arellano. Entered the match
Our
for
score
serving
is
purposes.
16-24.
Ang ganda ng naging effect sa kanyang team.
Considering match point na itong Perpetual, last point na.
Oo.
Kargado pa rin service niya, no?
That's right. Almiñana. Wow.
Sai Almiñana.
25-16. Sai Almiñana, and set number 1 it goes to the Lady Altas. They lead it 1-0.
That's the end of the first set. Our score is 25-16 in favor.